Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive link to share files in folders. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Google Drive app, right? And as you can see right here, you will see the interface of the app. Let me just click another, let's say another account, right? And let's say I'm going to just go ahead, in order to create a Google Drive link, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just go ahead and upload a file or upload a video, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead right here, upload a file. And if you want to upload photos and videos, just go ahead. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead to the videos and everything. I'm gonna just go ahead to the recent and just add the video that you want to upload. And you're gonna see the upload icon at the top, and you're gonna just upload it and wait it out. And after you upload the video or the file, you're gonna see on next to the video, you're gonna see a 3 link, right? Now you're gonna see at the beginning that the video is private. You can't actually, no one can see it except you. Now in order to share the video, I'm gonna just go ahead into the manage access, and you're gonna see next to next to your video title the 3 dots, and you're gonna manage access, and just go ahead to the general access, and you're gonna see anyone with a link. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead right here, and basically you gotta just see it at the beginning. It will be restricted. Just go ahead and change it to anyone with a link, and you're gonna see the link icon at the top right. Just go ahead right here and click on it, and now you just copy the link to your clipboard or to your keyboard. And now what I'm gonna do, if I wanted to share it, I'm gonna just go ahead and either you go ahead to the website, or you could go ahead to any other social media and share the link, or you could just go ahead and click the 3 dots again, click share, and you're gonna be able to share it to an email of your friend, for example, right? And that person will have access to your Google Drive. Right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.